I just did an at-home lash kit for the very first time. I've never got my lashes lifted ever before. And I only did one eye because I was like, I want to make sure that I'm not allergic to anything that's in this. Excuse me. As a super straight lashed girl, they're thick, but my God, they're straight. Do you see the curvature? If you're wondering how I got this gorgeous look, I used the at-home lash lift kit from Clione Prime. You can find this on Amazon. What I really love about their kit is I've been wanting to do this to my lashes for a while, but I've seen so many different kits out there. This one, I love how everything is individually packaged. So everything is sanitary. It's pretty much one use for everything, which I know it causes a lot of waste, but it also makes sure you're being hygienic and you're not hurting yourself. But it has all these spoolies with the little, whatever they're called. A couple are gone because I was using them. It does have a little cap for you to put step 1 and 2, your lotion in. It has guards. It comes with these little bridges that you put along the edge of your eyeball for the lashes to lay against. And it also comes with your perm glue. So the only thing it does not come with is saran wrap, but you're gonna need a little sheet of plastic that you're gonna put over your eye. So just to see what the difference would look like if I put a coat of mascara on the permed lash versus the not permed lash, I just wanted to test it. So permed lash mascara. Oh my gosh, it's already giving curl. You don't understand. I usually have to sit there and put a bunch of mascara on, and then I also have to use one of these things to try to get my mascara to lift my eye a little bit. You're gonna see what I'm talking about on this eye that I did not perm. So same technique. I'm going up through the lash like I did on the perm side. Oh yeah, that's a big difference. I can even try again, do another coat. Try to make those look a little longer. It still doesn't compare. This is so much more lifted, so much more beautiful. I'm obsessed, you guys. So if you didn't notice the difference before, you 100% do now. If you want to save money and start getting your lash perms at home, get your lash lift kit from Clione Prime on Amazon.com. I'm about to go perm my other eyeball. Bye.